Nobody cares about your degree if you don't know how to solve problems. The traditional promise of education guaranteeing a secure life is crumbling. This equation governed society for decades. A diploma equaled a paycheck. In the 2026 economy, that variable has been swapped out. Today, specific, verifiable skills are the metric that dictates your income. There is a strict deadline to adapt. Artificial intelligence algorithms are actively stripping away entry-level positions, handling the basic, repetitive tasks that beginners relied on to get a foot in the door. Surviving this market shift means moving past the phase of basic execution. You have to rapidly accelerate your learning curve and prove your immediate utility to businesses looking for results, not resumes. The 1 lakh rupee monthly target represents a specific threshold of market value. It is the result of solving problems at a scale or complexity that the market currently values above an entry-level salary. While AI hollows out the bottom of the job market, it simultaneously creates a vacuum for individuals who know how to operate these new tools. The money hasn't disappeared. It has migrated to those willing to adapt. Think of the modern internet as a digital assembly line. Every stage of content production translates to market value, and companies are eager to pay freelancers who manage these individual stations. Here, the first station is video editing. The current market demand for short-form content is high, and mastering industry-standard software like Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve makes you an immediate asset. You don't need a corporate recruiter to get started. Your first clients are accessible through freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, or through direct outreach to creators on Instagram. The second station is AI content creation. Knowing how to prompt and synthesize information using tools like ChatGPT, NotebookLM, and Midjourney allows you to generate high-quality material in a fraction of the time. This flowchart maps a reliable process businesses need, taking a raw text script, generating a clean voiceover, and assembling it into a polished video asset. Equipped with these tools, a single individual can handle the technical workflow, from script to final visual, that previously required a whole team of specialists. Once you understand how to build the product, you must learn how to sell it. This requires high-leverage multipliers, skills based on driving revenue through human psychology. Sales strips away the digital barrier. It requires mastering direct human communication, handling objections in real time, and closing the deals that keep a business alive. Media skills allow you to build something of value, but persuasion skills, copywriting and sales, are how you capture the financial reward of what you've built. This chart illustrates where many young adults lose their progress. Skill number 5, trading. You should not start your financial journey by attempting to day trade the markets. Trading is a capital allocation tool, not a primary income source. It is most effective after you have established a consistent, active cash flow from the media or persuasion skills we just covered. Attempting to trade without that underlying foundation of active income isn't a strategy. It's gambling with money you cannot afford to lose. To move from theory to income, we use a structured 6-month timeline designed to build these capabilities sequentially. Month 1 requires absolute focus. You select one skill from this toolkit and dedicate 30 days to learning its core mechanics. In month 2, you apply that knowledge. You assemble a mock portfolio of high-quality examples to prove to the market that you can deliver. Month 3 is for outreach. Your single objective is pitching businesses and securing your first paying client. Months 4 through 6 are for execution. You deliver results, collect testimonials, and scale your client work toward the income target. By isolating each phase, first learning, then the portfolio, then the sale, you reduce the cognitive load of trying to master the entire business model at once. The goal isn't finding the perfect skill. The goal is simply becoming undeniably useful to someone else's business. This is not a burst of motivation. It is a mechanical roadmap to financial sovereignty. Now you just have to execute.